Hey, so I wanted to do a quick video on how to fix the brightness on your CarPlay. So you've got your daytime running lights on right now. So it knows it's daytime. Got the brightness up here. But a lot of times people want to turn on their headlights, and what happens is it goes dim. Now the solution to goes into dark mode is this little switch right here. Putting that all the way up is going to bring back your daylight mode. Alternatively, if you're driving at night, see, if I was driving at night and had this switch up now, this would be too bright. What you got to do is bring this down just a hair below that click, and it should go back into dark mode. So that's the quick way to do it when you have it on auto. A lot of times people say go into your settings and change it, but the problem with that is if you're driving, oops, it's freaking out because I think I've got it hooked up right now. But if you're driving, yeah, it does. Just because I'm hooked up with the phone. But you know, that might be too much to get into your settings here and try to adjust the appearance. So right now it's under automatic. And yeah, so that's the quick fix. If you're driving at night, say, or I should say at daytime like we are right now, and I'm like, I don't like how dark that is. Flip this up. It'll fix everything for you. Thanks.